Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel, a place where you can find easy, healthy recipe. To all my followers, thank you for being with me once again. And to those new here, I hope you enjoy and learn from this new recipe. Thank you to Oscar of Dubai for watching my video. And to people of Magalang, Pampanga, Philippines, welcome to my channel. Today, I will share to you how to make easy stir-fried chicken with green peas. On my description, there are kitchenwares and kitchen utensils that you can order or avail. Please check them out. Maybe they are your long looking for. To begin, we need 10 grams of chicken breast cut into cubes. Remember, this recipe is made for 2 serving. If you need to serve more, then adjust the ingredients. Write in the comment your name and country to thank you and greet you on my next video. In a bowl with chicken, add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, a pinch of nutmeg, 2 teaspoonfuls of hoisin sauce, then mix well the ingredients. Chicken is one of the most popular types of meat. It's not only widely available and easy to prepare, but also easily found in a number of preparations and varieties. Still, though chicken is a common dietary staple, you may be unsure about just how healthy it is. We need a bowl of frozen green peas or green peas in a can. Set them aside, we need them later for this recipe. Have 2 to 3 cloves of garlic chopped or minced. Your feedback helps us grow. Write in the comment your views. Don't forget to check in the descriptions those kitchenwares and kitchen utensils that are for sale. Have 1 piece of medium-sized onion cut into cubes. Onions are a great addition to your diet because they are low in calories, very low in sodium, contain no fat or cholesterol, contain fiber and folic acid, a B vitamin that helps the body make healthy new cells. Have 2 pieces of spring onion. Remove the roots and the old leaves, then chopped. Again, thank you to Oscar of Dubai and to those people from Pampanga, Philippines. Thank you for watching. For those you also want to be greeted, just write your name and country at the comment. Spring onions, or scallions, are a staple ingredient in so many dishes we know and love, from salads and stir-fries to curries, pies, and soups, and are often used as a trusty ingredient, working away in the background, or as a tasty garnish to finish the story. Cut a slice from a green bell pepper and cut into cubes. Subscribe to join our community. We love hearing from you. The bell pepper is the fruit of plants in the Grossum group of the species Capsicum annuum. Cultivars of the plant produce fruits in different colors, including red, yellow, orange, green, white, chocolate, candy cane striped, and purple. Bell peppers are sometimes grouped with less pungent chili varieties as sweet peppers. Then get a slice from the yellow bell pepper and cut into cubes. While there are so many varieties of colors of bell pepper, you can choose your favorite one. Green and the red bell pepper are the most commonly used in cooking. In my own opinion, I love the taste of the red and orange while there are sweets. The green one has a bit of bitter, which I mostly use for cooking. We all know that bell pepper can be eaten raw, which is good for salad, can be grilled and put into cooking recipe. In a heated pan with cooking oil, fry the chicken. It would take up to 3 minutes until it's cooked. Remember not to cook chicken so long while it removes its tenderness and juiciness. Don't forget to check kitchenware and kitchen utensils in the descriptions. Then can be always order or avail. Some of them are those I am using in my kitchen. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to always be updated. Chicken is a type of poultry, which is a category of meat. It is often referred to as white meat, due to its lighter color compared to red meat, like beef or pork. Chicken meat comes from the flesh of chickens and is a popular source of protein around the world. It's known for being lean, especially the breast meat, and can be prepared in a variety of ways, such as grilled, roasted, or fried. Chicken is also a versatile ingredient that can be used in numerous dishes, from soups and salads to main courses. Once the chicken is cooked, remove them from pan and set aside. On same pan, let's saute the garlic and onion on same time. Keep on stirring until the aroma comes out, but don't let it turn into brown or burned out. Then add the bowl of green peas. Actually, if you used green peas from a can and frozen one, they are already cooked, so we don't need to cook them longer. Once the green peas are added, continue cooking for about 2 minutes. Green peas, or garden peas, are the small spherical seeds that come from pods produced by the Pisum sativum plant. They have been part of the human diet for hundreds of years and are consumed all over the world. Strictly speaking, Green peas are not vegetables. Now add the pre-cooked chicken, continue cooking for 1 minute, then add the spring onions and bell peppers. Strictly speaking, green peas are not vegetables. They are part of the legume family, which consists of plants that produce pods with seeds inside. Lentils, chickpeas, beans, and peanuts are also legumes. However, green peas are commonly cooked and sold as a vegetable, and this article will refer to them as such. You can find them in frozen, fresh, or canned varieties. Since green peas are high in complex carbs called starches, they are considered a starchy vegetable along with potatoes, corn, and squash. I hope you enjoy and learn from today's recipe, and hope to see you again on my next video. Have a happy, healthy meal.